Hello and welcome. This video demonstrates how to purchase a subscription plan on the DoorKnock Pro platform. First, log in with your username and password on the DoorKnock Pro login page. Click Settings on the left side menu. Select the Billing tab. First, you will see your current plan and the details of the plan. Next, you will see other plans with more robust functionalities that you can upgrade to. Select if you want to purchase a monthly plan or an annual plan where you save 20%. Click the Upgrade Plan button. You will be redirected to the payment page to make your payment. Enter the required details and click the Subscribe button. Need something different? Click the Build Custom Package button to create a custom package with the resources you need and get real-time pricing with the volume discounts and flexible billing options. Select your base plan. Enter the number of additional resources needed or use the slider to increase the number. You can also select or deselect resources to include in your package using the provided checkboxes. Once done, select if you want to purchase it as a monthly plan or an annual plan. Click the Subscribe to Custom Package button. Give your package a name and click the Continue to Payment button to make your payment. Your billing history is shown here. You can view and download your invoices. For large organizations with special requirements, you can use our enterprise solutions by contacting our sales team. And that's it! You have successfully purchased your new subscription on the DoorKnock Pro app. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.